Today's video is sponsored by Heart of the Tribe Gallery, where art meets community. More about that later. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, I promised you an update when we had one. I'm stood back outside the shop that's going to become our chemist, and I have great news. The NHS committee have found in our favour. The town is going to get its chemist. It should be open by the end of the summer, I would have thought at the latest. But it's a fantastic victory for the town. It just shows it can be done. And thank you to all the people who've been involved in this with the Glastonbury Needs a Pharmacy stickers, all the petition work that's gone on, and all the pressure that's been put on, because this town does need a second pharmacy. Now, the question I would be asking myself, was I a customer of the other pharmacy, is would I continue to be a customer of a company that has no regard for this town at all and would quite happily have stopped us having a second pharmacy? That's a question you've got to ask yourself, but I know what my answer would be. Anyway, it's been a very short video. I just want to tell you we're going to get the chemist. It's going to be open by the end of the summer, and that's brilliant news. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. The Heart of the Tribe Gallery is a community art gallery situated near the top of Glastonbury High Street. They host amazing exhibitions supporting local artists, and they have a beautiful secret garden out the back. So be sure to check them out and support local art.